Go to Google and search for Leonardo AI. Open the first one. Sign in. But if you don't have an account already, you'll be asked to sign up. Enter a username, then select one of the fields of interest listed below. Here, you'll select the field that best describes you, then click Done. Read through and accept the terms of service. Once you've finished signing up, you'll be taken to the Leonardo homepage. Note that Leonardo gives about 100 free credits daily to generate images. Those are the ones you need to utilize if you are using the free version. On the Leonardo homepage, go to Image Creation. Now let's enter our prompt. I've written it below. Make sure to enter a very detailed and descriptive prompt. Include all the little details you want your character to have. You can include things like color of hair and eyes, and the kind of style you are going for. Now go to Settings. In Presets, choose Lifelike Vision. For Preset Style, choose 3D Render. For Aspect Ratio, choose whichever is suitable for you. Once you've finished adjusting all the settings, click Create. Different images will be generated. You can choose the ones you like and download them. To generate more characters similar to those we've generated but telling different stories, go to these three dots above the images and select Copy Seed. Now go to Settings, then Advanced Settings. Paste the copied seed. Also make sure the Use Fixed Seed button is checked. Now you can go back to the prompt and add a few more details. But don't make it too different from the original prompt. Click Create and 4 more images will be generated from the new prompt. These are actually really beautiful. You can try out other different prompts and see the kind of images that will be generated. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next video.